how to buy Doge to Mars token. This token is came under the symbol of Doge Mars. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this post from Doge designer get 231,000 views. It's released in January 20, as you can see. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 10 days ago and it's increased by 20,000%, as you can see, in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good as me envision in a safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. Now select the Solana as a network from here. Click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, as you can see here. Now find your token that you just added. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you receive with the token. After that, what you need to do, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Doge Mars token. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.